So I've got an Amazon Kindle here, and I just wanted to make a very short video about how I fixed the charging port on it. Now I think it's a 7th generation, maybe 6, I'm not sure. I don't think it's a 5 anyway, so it's got the sort of ribbon connector for the battery there. Now what happens is this connector, it didn't feel loose, and it didn't have much movement in it at all, but it obviously wasn't making contact with the board itself. So what I did is I unscrewed these screws here and I removed them, and I've got an old bit of electronics here, and I cut some of the ribbon cable off, which is quite thin. Now I needed a couple of strips that were quite small, and I basically fed those into the top here, so you can see if I hold that. I've got to trim these off, but basically I put these in and then I've tightened the screws up afterwards, and it's actually putting enough pressure on the board so it charges again now, which is the solution there, and hopefully it'll be fine for a while. I was thinking about reflowing this, sort of adding some heat to this, but there's obviously bits of plastic around. So I didn't really want to risk that. So hopefully this fix will hold for quite a while. So I just thought I'd show you a very quick video on how I repaired this Amazon Kindle. Thank you.